Paying the M6 toll online involves using their official website or mobile app. Access M6 toll website. Visit the official M6 toll website to access their online payment portal. Create an account or login. Register for an account or login if you already have one. Provide necessary details like vehicle registration number, payment information, etc. Select payment option. Navigate to the payments section and choose the option to pay toll fees. Enter journey details. Input your journey details, including entry and exit points, date and vehicle information. Payment method. Choose your preferred payment method. This typically includes credit or debit card payment or other online payment options specified by M6 Toll. Enter payment details. Input the required payment information, such as credit card details or other requested information. Confirm and submit. Review the entered details and confirm the payment to proceed. Payment confirmation. Once the transaction is successful, you will receive a confirmation message or email acknowledging the toll payment made for your journey on the M6 toll road.